Alright guys, welcome back to J&J Bowling. Today we have Bob, Crash, Shumate with us. And we're gonna bowl 1v1 and it's gonna be 12 games. So Bob, I'm gonna have you go first.
All right. The Crash is actually a shortened version of my long form nickname, which is Crash Burn, which is two different stories that can be told later.
Excuse me. This will be interesting here, guys. 12 games. We were going to do this on, we'll do like 2 games today and then maybe 2 next week. And we'll see what happens after 12 games. We did have 1 practice game. Good shot. And we're going to do the 1-2 format. I like that shot.
James and I have been bowling together for about 2+ years now. I figure we probably bowled about 600 games together, this being our first 1v1. Over those 600 games, we're probably just about evenly split, half wins and losses.
Thank you, sir. It should be fun. It's a little bit different than we normally do. Normally do 3 games, but it would be interesting just to do the a 12-game series here. Okay, all right.
That would be a Bob strike.
It's a Bob strike there, yes, definitely. Oh, buried another one.
Not a bad start.
All right, looking good, looking good. Guys, you know I'm a big hammer guy, but we are using the Zen Master.
James typically throws a line outside of 10, and I typically throw between 10 and 15 across the arrows. On your normal house shot, that is. All right. That full carry.
So far, so good. I like how it looks.
Get this shot
How
out.
it feels coming out of my hand.
That should go.
Oh, buried it, buried it. Nice shot.
Out there a little far, comes right in. All right, bounced it off the dry.
Nice fair.
I get it.
Bob, I'm gonna take a moment here and tell the viewers about yourself. How did you like get into bowling? When did you start?
I got into bowling when my mom and dad moved us into a new neighborhood back in the late 70s.
Okay.
And a bunch of friends of mine from school, we would play baseball all summer long. And September came around, I went to go play baseball, and none of my friends were out there playing baseball. I'm like, where the hell is everybody?
Right.
Well, found out they were all bowling on Saturday mornings. So I said, okay, I want to hang out with my friends. Maybe I should learn how to bowl. So at the age of 13, I picked it up.
Okay. That's cool. And how long you been? So I guess you've been bowling ever since 13, or?
Yeah, no, I took about 10 or 11 years off. So this is my 3rd year back.
Okay.
So when there's a really nice bowling alley that I used to love to bowl in Newark that closed down back in 2013 or 14.
Is that Blue Hens?
Yeah.
Okay, Blue Hen Lanes. I've never been there, never bowled there. I've heard basically everybody I guess that was the spot. Everybody bowled at Blue Hens. Yeah, Blue Hen Lanes.
And it was really interesting that I stopped bowling when I did, because during the time that I was not bowling, the game had changed.
Okay.
Cover stocks became much more reactive. The way that they were doing the lanes, what was considered a normal house shot, changed. So it used to be more of a down and in accuracy type game. Now it's a lot more of a power game than it used to be. So, you know, and two-handed bowling was something that you just didn't see.
Yeah.
So when I came back, everything had changed, and being 10, 11 years older, it makes a big difference in your game. You know, you're not as strong, you're a little older.
Yeah, definitely.
So I'm still trying to reinvent my game.
Yeah. Well, so far so good. You're looking good. So, you know, and you made a nice cover there. So, see if we can continue the pace. All right, guys. So we're near the 5th frame here. Let's see what we can do. See if we can continue.
Ooh.
That down a little early, but I liked it though. But
all right, nice shot.
Thank you. A little bit inside, but
nice little
take it
there.
Got a little bit inside of hair, didn't get it out, but take it.
Back on the track. Oh, I have a 5-pin down. I'm surprised I even saw that. A lot of times I don't even look up at the pins.
Yeah. So guys, we are in Mid-County Lanes, if you didn't already know. That's in Middletown, Delaware, where I sub Tuesday night, bowl Thursday night. We'll get a full rack there.
All right, we're all there.
And it looks like there's a 5-pin there. A little bit inside there. Got a little bit inside, but it held. Five-pin fell again on 23. We'll have to re-rack that.
That should get there.
Nice shot. 5-pin fell over too as well.
pressure on James, see how he does.
All right. So we got a full rack there. Come on, Tango. Nah.
Well, if I happen to get this next one, that should make a big difference in how he approaches his next shot.
All right, let's try to get back on the straight track here. Might be throwing a little too fast. That's pretty good. A little too slow.
Strikes in the 8th and a 9th ought to just about do it. See if I can put a hammer down here.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I got the one a little too fast and that was a little bit too slow.
I'm gonna stay aggressive as much as I can.
Yeah, the lane, sir.
Oh, thank you.
I didn't want to yell.
Thanks. I didn't even look up.
Oh.
This next one will be huge.
Ah, you got it. Shove it in there. That was a nice shot, though. All right, guys. We got pins resetting over here. They reset it, so I'm not sure. All right.
Keeps the 248. .248 would be enough to make me show up. Look out.
Go too slow. Try to get it out a little more. We'll try to get it.
All right, 216.
Yeah, gave away a lot there. Going too slow. Help me out a little bit. Sure, it was a good shot. I didn't see it. Should be easy pickup. Yeah, it was.
I'm gonna try a different line on this fill ball.
Excuse me, guys.
Play a little bit deeper. Move up in the approach. That was 15. All right.
So 256 to 216. So, would you like to tell the viewers what ball you're using?
This is a ball that I purchased about a year or two before I had taken that 10-year layoff. This is a first generation Motive QZ2.
Okay.
Used to be my designated first game ball.
Right.
Which was great when the back ends were clean, but as soon as the wheel started to move down, the ball would stop reacting. But it never stops reacting anymore.
No, it looks, I mean, it looks good. I mean,
I think that's probably a change in the type of oil or the length or the number of units, but it's pretty indicative of a different way that they're doing the lanes now. I would never be able to use this ball past game 1 on a fresh shot.
Okay. All right, well, that was a nice game. We got some work to do, but, you know, it's a long series, so anything could happen, so.
And we are doing total pins.
We're doing total pins for 12 games, yes.
Okay.
So, and it'll be over, obviously, several different weeks, so we'll have different lanes and probably different conditions and things like that, so it'll never be fresh, of course, but
I had mentioned about 10 minutes ago when you were up there bowling that you and I have probably, I've guesstimated that you and I have probably bowled together about 600 games.
Probably.
Over the last 2.5 years. And we've probably split wins and losses.
Yeah.
Pretty close.
You know, but it's been fun. Like you said, I've learned a lot from you, so. All right, guys, we're gonna go to game number 2 and let's see if we can shorten that lead. We had a bad 10th frame, but we'll just have to
be better.
Be better, yeah, exactly. All right, guys, see you in game 2.